The driver attention monitor is designed to help detect when a driver may be exhibiting diminished attention to the road and alert the driver to take a break from driving. It works by keeping track of the driver's steering input to detect patterns that indicate lack of attention. The system is on by default, and you can check its status by selecting the Driver Attention Monitor display in the Driver Information interface. The display shows 4 bars for the highest degree of attention. 3 bars are acceptable to the system as well. When the system moves to 2 bars, a message appears indicating that the driver's attention level is low. And if the display moves to 1 bar, the system issues visual and audible alerts and will trigger a strong tactile vibration through the steering wheel. You can customize the driver attention monitor on all models through the driver information interface controls on the steering wheel. Rotate the selector wheel to settings and select it by pushing on the selector wheel. Then, rotate the selector wheel again to Driver Assist System Setup and push it. Next, rotate the wheel and select Driver Attention Monitor. Now you can choose among Tactile and Audible Alert, or Tactile Alert, or Off to disable those alerts. You'll still be alerted visually by the display. Once the vehicle has been turned off, the Driver Attention Monitor will reset to the default setting.